Hi everyone, my name is Pranka, and 21 June I was also the one who appeared for Ready 2026. And I don't know the paper review and all. I don't know anything right now. According to the provisional answer key, whatever the NTA has provided today, I'm getting around 530 somewhere, like out of 716 because one question they've dropped it. Okay, so I'm getting around 530. I don't know it's a good score or not, but according to many YouTubers, the tutors, they're saying that it's a borderline score. So I'm just waiting and hoping, legit, hoping for a good result because that is all I can do right now. I actually messed up the paper. I'm first year dropper. एक साल ही मैंने प्रिपरेशन की वैसे सही में if meaningful preparation I talk about then I've just prepared for this 1 year and Bio was okay. Chemistry, I messed up. I could do better actually, but then okay. Physics, 4 बजे तो जो सर चढ़ा है ना मेरा, that 4 to 5:15. It was such a difficult time. I mean, page पलटा रही कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था. It was all blank. It felt. I don't know. I'm getting around 75 to 80 marks in physics. I think. Anyway, doesn't matter. The matter what matters is GMC, of course. Also, I've read the title that Renit got over what's next. So right now there's uncertainty, negativity all over. It's just getting hard day by day. For me, there are specific some more reason which obviously I'm not gonna put it out all here. But yes, I know you might also have been going through a lot of things. It'll be getting hard for you too. So three things which I've started. I think if you started to मतलब थोड़ा better feel हो सकता है. First, I've started walk like the morning walk, exercise, whatever, meditation, whatever. It's a park nearby. The both it's around being around nature somewhere like you feel good. I mean, if you love nature and all those things. So that's what I've started. One thing, 6 to 8 a.m. I go and like I chill a lot. सो मतलब पर्टिकुलरली वो 2 घंटे होते हैं ना 24 घंटे में से वो इट फील्स गुड दैट्स इट देयर इज नो complete change in the behavior personality ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Then the second thing which I've started is YouTube, of course. I'm trying, सोच रही हूँ मैं to put it out some actual meaningful content here. So if you guys watching this, if you like it, do subscribe. The third thing, I've started taking tuitions actually. Now, not started, I'm gonna start it from today. It gives a little bit sense of that you're doing something productive. Okay, matlab it's if you don't want to, you of course can skip, but somewhere for me I think it was a good decision. Also ये मेरा भी एक है. I don't know if you might be also thinking कि 1 month you start taking tuitions and then the result come out and if nothing turns out then what, abruptly ऐसे stop करना पड़ेगा. That is something which I'm also thinking, but then I shut down that thought and then like just fingers crossed everything will be nice. We'll get a seat. Come on, guys. So that's why I'm just starting it from today. I'll update you. So yeah, just hoping for the best for all of you guys, for me too, and feeling sad also at the same time for all of us. But yes, stay tuned, stay strong, all the very best. You can do it. If you don't, I can't assure कि सब अच्छा होगा. नहीं, सब अच्छा नहीं होता है. किसी के साथ अच्छा होता है, किसी के साथ बुरा होता है, किसी के साथ बहुत बुरा होता है. So I'm not here to to say negative things out, but this is what the truth is. Anyway, you stay strong. Thank you so much.